Hi everyone, welcome to Wondertime. Mr. Travis here. We've got some fun stuff. We're going to do some songs and we're going to see our little friend here. But I just want to remind you, it's, again, summer reading time, summer reading. And this week we start mission number 3. So if you go onto our website and sign up, and this is for kids 5 to 12, we're doing mission 3, where we want you to get outside and see some things. So once you go out and you see all the little things that we want you to find, you let us know, and then you complete mission 3. That'll be going on for another 3 weeks. So complete mission 3, and at the end of that, at the beginning of August, when that mission ends, we'll have a raffle and people will win prizes. So go ahead, do mission 3. All right, let's start Wonder Time. Welcome to Wonder Time, everybody. I've got my good friend Chester here. He's gonna help us today. So Chester, come on out. Chester, come on out. I think he's kind of playing. Come on out. And sometimes he's sleeping. Chester, come on out. I'm not sure if he's even in there. Let's take a look. Chester, come on out. Huh. He's not in there. But he did leave this. He did leave this. It's a sign. Huh. This way. All right. Chester must know what he's doing. Let's go find him. Hi guys, we are going to play a little game. We're talking about play this week, and that's one of our 5 literacy practices. Playing actually teaches about reading. It does. And we're going to do a little game that you can do at home, that you can do on your own, or you can do it with grown-ups, that kind of thing. But it's a great game for like grown-ups and little ones to play together. So I need my little one, so I'm going to get my good friend Chester here. Come on out, Chester. Come on out. Ooh. Oh, thank you, sir. Oh, thank you. Oh, hi, Chester. Come on out for a sec. Okay, so this is Chester. And Chester, we're going to play a game called the Story Basket. Oh, the Story Basket. And what you need for a story basket is, well, we need a basket. Yes, okay. So I've got a basket. And what you can do at home is fill a basket or a bag or anything that you want with just random things around the house. And then what we're going to do when we're ready, okay, Chester here is going to pick 3 things from the basket. And then once we have 3 things, we're going to make up a story. Oh, fun. Okay, so let's find 3 things, Chester. Okay. Find their first thing. Oh, okay. So Chester found a little book, a little composition book, little notebook. Okay, so we've got a notebook. I'll put that right here. And then we've got, what'd you find? Okay, we've got a light. Whoa, okay, whoa, okay. And what else do we have? Okay. We've got a package of guitar strings. Oh, okay. All right. So, if we were going to tell a story about these 3 things, let's get them out again. We got guitar strings, a composition book, and a night light. What should our story be? Oh, that's true. Okay. So, we'll start our story by saying what? We'll start our story by saying, in the beginning. Or we could say, once upon a time, huh? That way we know it's the beginning. See, when we're doing this with kids and stuff, by telling stories, it helps them understand stories. It helps us understand all stories have to have a beginning, huh? In the beginning, there was a little chimpanzee. Yes. Named Chester. Yes, Chester. And Chester found, as he was walking around, a mystical composition book. Yes. And inside the book he found a map. Oh, a map. And a map led to a deep, dark cave. And inside the book it said there was a treasure in this cave. But the cave was dark. So we would need something to be able to see inside the cave, wouldn't we? Yes. What should we get? That's probably a good idea. Let's get, the light. So Chester, he shined the light into the cave. Yes. And they walked and walked and he walked and he was getting a little scared. And he walked. And what did we see in the cave? We saw some bats. Ooh, and we saw stalagmites and stalactites. Yes, big words, stalagmite and stalactites. And we walked, and there was even a little stream. And as he shined the light in the little stream, he saw something shining. He saw something shining, and he saw, something was shining over there. So Chester went over and grabbed it, and he couldn't even tell what it is. So he decided to go outside of the cave and out into the sun. And he looked inside, and he said, these must be magical guitar strings. Magical guitar strings. So Chester took the guitar strings home, and he strung them on his guitar, and with those magical guitar strings. He played the most awesome shredding guitar solo any chimpanzees ever played, huh? The end. Awesome. Good story, Chester. Good story. So that's what we can do with a story basket at home. You can get a basket and we can get 3 things and we can tell stories. And again, it's just about telling a story, understanding a story, that we have to have a beginning. There's something has to happen. Maybe something like would build up, and maybe something could be scary or funny, and then it has to end. Huh. That was a good story too. I really liked your story. So again, we just get a basket with different things. We've got socks, and a big spider. What else did we have that we didn't pick today? We had a screwdriver, a spoon, some tape, and I didn't put this in here. Did you put this? Oh, Chester did. Whoa, a mango. Mango. Chester loves mangoes. Anyway, that's something you can do at home. It's a fun skill. It's a fun way to play. Make your own stories. It'll help your little ones learn about how books are structured. And you've got everything you need wherever you are. Just a few little things to pick out. Huh? Yes. Here we go. There's a little white duck sitting on the water, a little white duck, and he's doing what he oughta. He flapped a bite of a lily pad, he flapped his wings and he said, I'm glad, 'cause I'm a little white duck sitting on the water. Quack, quack, quack. Next came a little green frog, 'cause there's a little green frog swimming in the water, a little green frog, and he's doing what he oughta. He jumped right off of the lily pad that the little duck bit, and he said, I'm glad, 'cause I'm a little green frog swimming in the water. I go glump, glump, glump. So next came a little black bug, 'cause I'm a little black bug floating on the water, a little black bug, and I'm doing what I oughta. I tickled the frog on the lily pad that the little duck bit, and I said, I'm glad, 'cause I'm a little black bug floating on the water. I go buzz, buzz, buzz. Next came the little red snake, 'cause I'm the little red snake playing in the water, a little red snake, and I'm doing what I oughta. I frightened the duck and the frog so bad, and I ate the little bug, and I said, I'm glad, 'cause I'm a little red snake lying in the water. I go hiss, hiss, hiss. Everybody's gone. Now there's nobody left sitting in the water, nobody left doing what they oughta. There's nothing left but the lily pad. The duck and the frog ran away, and I'm sad, 'cause there's nobody left sitting in the water. Boo hoo hoo. Okay, well that's it for Wonder Time today. Chester and I want to thank you. Thank you very much for coming. And just as a reminder, again, summer reading's still going on. We're doing mission 2, so go ahead and sign up. And you also need to know for summer reading Chester's special secret code. Yes, Chester's secret code. And the code today, it was one of the things that was in our story basket, and it was, what was it? How about we do one of Chester's favorite foods, mango. Mango! Type in mango, and you get a special Chester badge if you're doing summer reading this year. Just go to our website right here, and again, put in the secret badge or the secret code, and you'll get this week's special Chester badge. Yes, good job, Chester. All right, thanks for coming. We will see you guys next week, huh? Yes, yes. All right. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yes.